welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Esme, but you guys can call me Lalis. For this week's video, I'm gonna be shaving my freaking face, like literally shaving my beard and my mustache. But now with the regular razor and shaving cream, I'm gonna actually be doing it with a little facial razor. This is way better and gentle, and you have more control over the blade than this one right here.
So don't use this for your face.
So before we get into the actual shaving part, let me explain why is shaving your face beneficial for you. First, it's called dermaplaning, and basically it is just like removing the peach fuzz from your face. You're also removing the dry skin. Your face is gonna absorb the makeup way better, and it's gonna look
Literally flawless.
I've been doing this for months already. In my face, I do have a lot of peach fuzz, and I can tell when it's time for me to shave my face because basically I can see like my highlighter is just like literally just floating, and I don't like that. I don't like how it looks. And when I do shave my face, it looks so good. I had already previously washed my face, but I'm still gonna use a makeup wipey so that I make sure that I don't have anything left. For like removing my eye makeup, I do my own makeup remover. If you guys are interested and want to do your own makeup remover, I'll leave the link down below so that you guys can watch it. Just put my hair back because I don't want it to get in the way.
And I'm gonna get a little closer. I'm sorry if I look ugly as hell, but I can't help it.
So basically I got this little razor at a local store. These are disposable. You can get a pack on Amazon. I think they're like $5, so they're pretty inexpensive. So let's begin with our forehead. And I don't go too much in my hairline just because I like the natural look right here. So I just like begin from here and skip my hairline, and I go down. Wow. You guys can see, but that's gross. All right. I mean, it's just peach fuzz, but I don't know, for some people maybe gross. You're gonna make sure that you're pulling on your skin so that you get really close to the pores. And you want to be cleaning your blade as well as you're going, so that you know the blade works pretty good. And I usually do my eyebrows before I shave, so that I cut the round the way I like it, and I make sure I don't cut more than I should from my eyebrows because I barely have eyebrow hair. And here you gotta be really careful. You gotta go slow so that you don't take your eyebrow away. You don't want to be browless. Like I said, I don't go too much in my hairline. I don't go past it. I just barely touch it. And then here I go upwards. So I make sure that I get all the hairs right here. And make sure you're pulling your skin so that you don't cut yourself. I cleaned around my brow. Then you may also experience a little bit of redness, and that's because you're pulling on your skin, and then you're also taking away dry skin. So some redness would sometimes show, but it'll go away quickly. Always gonna make sure that your blade is sanitized before every use. Like I said, these ones are disposable, so if you can use one in every shave, then it would be better. But if you use it maybe 2 times, I mean, it's okay. The more you use it, the more dull the blade's gonna get. So basically, you're gonna be going on your skin a little bit harder so that it cuts the hair, and that's not good. Around your upper lip area, you're gonna make sure you're pulling on your lip. That way you don't cut yourself, and you just gotta go like that. I usually do it like once a month, especially like if I wanna like my makeup to look good for an event or something like that, then I do it. My facial hair still is growing back the same way, just looking as a peach fuzz. So if you guys are concerned, then skip this, but I mean, it does help a lot for the makeup application. I've heard that some people do get it darker or thicker, but for me it didn't. So I mean, you might want to try it once, or just like in certain spots, and see how that works for you. I always leave my nose at the end because it's harder to do, but basically I start from here, from the brow, and you gotta make sure that you're not putting it all flat, because you're gonna get rid of half of your eyebrow. So I just go with only with the tip. So I'm doing kind of like an angle, as you can see, like it's on my skin, but I lift it in the back. And this way I trim my brow. There we go. And once I do that, I kind of like lift my eyebrow so that it pulls the skin taut. And you're gonna be very, very gentle. Let me just put you a little bit farther away because it's... There we go. There we go. That way I don't scare you. Once you're done shaving your face, you might want to use some type of alcohol. You can use rubbing alcohol, that will be okay. That's to close your pores and make sure that you don't get any trapped makeup or oil or any bacteria in your pores, because that's gonna cause you to have acne. Also, if you have acne while you're shaving, then I suggest you go around those areas. That way you don't irritate your skin or the pimple, and then also you won't be infecting other areas with the bacteria of the pimple. But yeah, like I have this one right here. I have Sea Breeze Astringents or Astringents. I don't know, you know me, I can never pronounce anything the right way. This one you can get it at Sally Beauty Supply. Make sure you don't put it to close your eyes because it has alcohol, of course. Then I usually apply this also when I wash my face at night or in the morning. so that I get rid of oil as well. And I put it before my makeup so that I close my pores and my makeup looks smoother. Whenever I get a pimple, I try to apply it more often in that area, so that way it's like basically you're cleaning that part of your skin and it helps it go away faster. So it cleans the oil, close your pores, and make you feel fresh and clean. I don't know, it just feels so good when I apply this. It feels so fresh. So after we close our pores with the astringent, I'm gonna use Neutrogena Hydro Boost. This is gonna hydrate my skin, and it's gonna help if I had any irritation with the blade. And it's oil free, and of course you don't want to add oil to your face when you shave because what? So basically it's gonna replenish your skin, hydrate, but it doesn't make you feel all oily. And yeah, that's basically it about shaving our faces. As you like, it feels so damn smooth, and I don't know, you guys have to try it for yourself. And if you do try it, please make sure you leave me a comment and tell me how you like it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys do like this video, please don't forget to give it a like, and then also don't forget to share and subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more upcoming videos. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and see you guys till next one. Bye.